This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an AWS certificate. First, understand that AWS offers 12 certifications across 4 distinct paths: foundational, associate, professional, and specialty. Each path validates specific cloud skills and knowledge, from basic concepts to advanced architectural design. Selecting the right certification aligns with your career goals and current expertise. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation in cloud computing and advancing your professional journey. Next, carefully select the certification that best suits your career aspirations and current experience. For instance, the Solutions Architect Associate is a popular starting point for many. Dive into the official exam guides and review sample questions to understand the scope and depth of knowledge required. This preparation helps you gauge the commitment needed and ensures you're on the right track to achieving your certification goals. Effective preparation is key to success. Leverage official AWS training courses, extensive documentation, and white papers. Hands-on experience is invaluable, so practice with labs and real-world scenarios to solidify your understanding. Consider joining study groups or online forums for additional support and insights. Once you feel confident in your knowledge and skills, schedule your exam through the AWS certification portal. This structured approach maximizes your chances of passing. On exam day, ensure you arrive early and are well-rested. Read each question carefully, paying attention to keywords and details before selecting your answer. After successfully passing, celebrate your achievement. Remember, certification is just one step. Continuous learning is vital in the ever-evolving cloud landscape. Explore advanced certifications or specialized areas to further enhance your expertise. And hey, for staying hydrated during your studies and beyond, check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.